My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. Check this out. So this is my small portable hand blower. It's not heating up again. The element is not heating up again. So I will check the reason why it's not heating up. Sometimes the problem is not even from the element, so you have to check before you get a new element. My dear technician, let me plug it. Let me plug to power. Let me plug this cable to power. Check this out. I plug it right now. You can see that it's blinking. You can see, but it's not heating up. Check this out. It's not heating up again. So let me hold it and check the problem. I don't know where the problem is coming from. Let me unplug from power. I don't want something to shock me. So first of all, let me open it. Oh my god, I'm not with screwdriver now. Let me use this one to open it. Sorry guys, I'm not with screwdriver. I'll be done. Check this out, my dear technician. Oh my god, you can see. Check this out, that wire cut. You can see that this wire cuts. Oh my god. The thing born inside, you can see how it is. Check this out, my dear technician. So let me get this one removed. So this is the fan. This is the fan. So I have to unscrew from here and get this one removed and fix it. My dear technician, I've seen screwdriver, thank god. So let me remove this one.
I finished the rice.
My dear technician, have to desolder this one. Very important. Let me plug my iron now. So let me turn on my iron. technician, check this out. So I have to remove this. I will not use this one again. So let me cut it from here. I have to cut it. So guys, let me join this one. I have to join it from here. I have to carefully do this. Okay, let me start with this one. So the next thing, let me use plier. To hold it very well. Good. So I'll bend it this way. So the next thing is this one. So for this one, I need to fix this one first. For me to bend this side small, you have to bend it small. Please do not allow this wire to touch this one, okay? Be very careful when you're coupling. For this one, you just have to use your plier, carefully turn it with this one. Okay, just use your plier. Just turn it around with this one. You can see it's joined. Please do not let it, because if you let it, the lead will be removed. Because of our heat. You can see I'm done now. Next thing is for you to bend it, carefully bend it.
My dear technician, I'm supposed to put heat resistant insulator, but since I don't have it, that is why I'm not putting it. I recommend you buy it and put it, okay? Buy heat resistant insulator, put it to prevent shocking, okay?
This thing is going to tighten it very well. Now let me test and see if it works. Let me plug into power. So guys, let me turn on right now and see. I just turn on right now. Guys, it's working. The air ignition is working. Oh my god, it's working. Let me look for paste so that I will use that and show you guys. My data ignition, check this out. So this is a paste. So let me place it here so that you guys will see that this thing is heating up. The element is now working. So guys, let me turn on one to ready go. I've turned on now. Check this out. Let me reduce the air. Let me zoom for you guys to see it very well. You will see the thing will be melting. So this is how you can see it's melting. You can see it's melting. You can see that it's melting. Let me put it again small. Check this out. You can see it's melting. You can see that it's working again. You can see. So tomorrow I will get an insulator so that I'll put it in that place so that it will prevent shocking. I'll put insulator. So this works like magic.